Most of us use our bedrooms as a workstation, study room, and even the living room, which is why when it's actually time to go to bed, we face trouble sleeping. Before you settle for sedatives, try these simple ideas to make your bedroom sleep-friendly. 1. Invest in a good mattress. Since that's where you'll be sleeping, you need to ensure that it is absolutely right for you, keeping in mind your health conditions as well. A firmer mattress doesn't imply that it will be cozy too. Similarly, a high-end mattress isn't necessarily comfortable either. Check for the right width, composition, and how it contours itself according to your body. Another factor to look for is how the mattress dissipates your weight across it. A good mattress has the power to change your life, since it'll ensure how well you sleep and how refreshed you wake up in the morning, ultimately determining how you'll be spending your day. 2. Close any light inlets. That includes your cell phone, tablets, and laptops as well. The more natural and artificial light sources you keep in the room, the lesser are your chances of going to bed early. Light can be one of the biggest factors to interfere with your sleep. Light emitted from these devices interrupt your REM sleep, which explains why you wake up tired the next morning. Go for a darker shade and fabric for your bedroom curtains, so that once they're shut, no light is able to creep in. 3. Aromatherapy. Among all the human senses, smell is the strongest. Lighting up a few scented candles can calm you down and help you unwind. Turn your bedroom into a spa by dimming the lights and lighting up candles of your favorite scent. If you don't want to risk leaving the candles lighted for the night, you can mist your pillow and smell it throughout the night as you fall asleep slowly. Once you set a routine, your body gets accustomed to the ritual. This way, sleep can be induced once you start smelling a certain scent. 4. Declutter your bedroom. Unless you're least bothered with mess, clutter in your room can interrupt your sleep. Your brain works in a certain way and associates one thing with the other. Working on your laptop in the bedroom or sitting in there will associate the room with these specific functions, which can be a hindrance in sleeping. 5. Set the right temperature. As important as any other factor is, the temperature of your room. Lowering the temperature is ideal for those who suffer from night flashes and sweating episodes. Even generally, the ideal temperature to sleep is between 65 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit. Research suggests going to bed at lower temperatures as they help you sleep better. 6. Use cool tones for walls. Believe it or not, the color you paint your room with has a profound effect on your sleep quality and for how long you sleep. Shades of blue and gray work best to induce sleep, since they are associated to calmness and relaxation, which puts your brain at ease after a long day at work. Choose your bedroom wall color wisely. 7. Use red night bulbs. If you have to use a night lamp, make sure you get one with red lights. This is because warm and white lights send a wake-up message to your body, unlike red lights. Red lights help in melatonin production, which makes you feel sleepier. Make sure to switch your devices off since the light emitted from these interferes with sleep.